G'day guys, Craig here from White Magic, here to introduce to you the EcoBasics Floor Cleaning Sheet product. Inside this box you get 40 powerful cleaning sheets that dissolve in a matter of seconds in up to 5 litres of water. So this means you have an eco cleaning solution that you can use in your regular mop and bucket, your spray mop, your spin mop, or even in your cleaning robot. These cleaning sheets are made from plant-based ingredients that are marine and septic safe. No bleaches, phosphates, or artificial dyes are used. They smell of a beautiful lemon myrtle and they help to loosen dirt when you're mopping. They're also proven to kill 99.9% of bacteria on any hard floor. They work on any hard floor. We're talking timber, tile, lino, vinyl, stone and polished concrete to loosen the dirt so your mop can do the rest. If you have any questions, contact us at White Magic HQ. Thanks for watching.